Hey guys, Jen here. I am coming to you from my husband's hometown where we live part of each year, Crikvenica, Croatia. In this edition of Croatia's Best Restaurants, we'll be focusing on Crikvenica. It's Crikvenica. Before we begin, I'm going to kindly ask you to hit that like button down there. It helps us so much with the YouTube algorithm. And if you haven't already, it would be wonderful if you would subscribe to our channel. We are happy to provide our local insight into the best restaurants here. Crikvenica is located at the top of the Adriatic Sea, not far from the port city of Rijeka, and only a little over 2 hours from Venice, Italy. In this video, we'll be including Crikvenica proper, as well as the Selce and Dramalj areas. Now, let's jump right in with our top 3 restaurants, all of which are fine dining establishments, followed by some honorable mentions and suggestions for casual dining and drinks. So there's something for every price point, budget, and taste. Our video footage is primarily from 2019, but our recommendations are as current as can be. Top on our list of best restaurants is Dida, which in the local dialect means grandfather. Dida is the most upscale and expensive restaurant on our list, but it definitely delivers and is totally worth the price. They have a lovely outdoor terrace area where you can dine above the sea, and a cozy, warm inside dining room that keeps you warm on cold winter nights. That's right, it's open year-round. The service here is top-notch, attentive, friendly, and helpful.
Another olive oil, but first for the start, those two. This white one from familia Buršić from Bertonigla in Istria. Name is the Cleva, and this one is mix of Lecino and Pendolino, 2 light Italian sorts, and Istarska Bilica and Buža, 2 strong Croatian sorts. And this with black label, Oleum Vitae from Nino Činić from Krasica, also in Istria. Blend, this one is mix of just those 2 strong sorts, Istarska Bilica and Buža. Enjoy.
Thank you. The restaurant has a wood grill, fresh menu selections that change with the season, and you're offered special olive oils to go along with each course. We highly recommend the romi, which is polenta cakes topped with a rich portion of scampi or langoustines and savory truffle sauce. Also, make a reservation. You absolutely must make a reservation. Next on our list is Domino. Domino is located in the Dramalj area of Crikvenica. They are open year-round and have comfortable indoor seating as well as a lovely private terrace that they open up in the summertime. The best thing about Domino is the consistently excellent food and service, year after year after year. There is virtually no turnaround in the staff. The same waiters have been there for many years, which is a compliment to the owner, who is usually present, and says something about what a great establishment it is. The menu is a wonderful selection of delicious Croatian dishes, fresh fish and seafood, flavorful pastas, and hearty meat dishes. We recommend their house red wine, followed by the scampi soup. This soup is worth a visit just on its own. My favorite main dish here is the Burin Domino, which is a rich selection of shellfish served in a white wine broth. During the summer months, you should definitely make a reservation. Rounding out the list of best restaurants in Crikvenica is Borin. This restaurant has been a top favorite of ours throughout the years. It's conveniently located a short walk up from Crikvenica's main sand beach. The owner is extremely dedicated to providing a fantastic dining experience to every single guest who visits his establishment. The restaurant offers a wonderful selection of wines and a comprehensive menu of Croatia's best cuisine. While Borin does not have a view of the sea, they do have a cozy dining room inside and a breezy outdoor seating area on their front porch. Borin is open year-round and has special wine nights throughout the winter months, where you get to try wines from some of Croatia's top wineries. The wines are paired with innovative dishes, so you get to try new foods you might not normally have ordered. We highly recommend the scampi pasta, which is homemade pasta served with a white sauce that is rich in scampi pieces. Remember, scampi here is langoustines. Oh, and we recommend the steak Paris. It's a filet mignon served with this red wine reduction sauce that is to die for. Again, reservations are highly recommended. Now, on to our honorable mentions and additional suggestions. In the fine dining category, we have Zrinski. It's located up a little alley stairway in the heart of Crikvenica, just up from the main promenade. This restaurant looks like it's indoors, but when you enter, you'll see that it's actually a lovely half-outdoor garden-style terrace. The restaurant is family-owned and has excellent food and friendly service. Zrinski is not open year-round. When it comes to casual dining, we'll begin with Karoca, which translates to carriage. We love that Karoca is open year-round. It has a comfy Kanoba-style dining room. A Kanoba is essentially like a Croatian tavern, with a cozy wood stove for wintertime, as well as a detached outdoor seating area along the road. While there is no view at Karoca, it has a convenient location in the center of town. They specialize in Croatian cuisine, seafood, meat, and pastas. Right in the center of Crikvenica, along the sea, you have Buffet Tivoli. It's located in that open main square area right near the main pier, so the location cannot be beat. The owner is attentive and meticulous, and the staff is friendly and helpful. Tivoli also has great Croatian specialties on their menu and something for every taste. We especially like the fried calamari and the pizza. If you're looking for another cozy Kanoba-style restaurant but with an unbeatable view, we highly recommend Riva, located in the heart of Selce, right next to the port. Riva is a great place to grab a meal if you're coming directly from the beach, which is what we usually do. They have lunch specials and have a more budget-friendly menu. The service here is courteous and helpful. They have a real wood grill, which imparts your food the most delicious flavor. We recommend the calamari, grilled or fried. Now, they're not open year-round, but honestly, the view really, truly cannot be beat. Last on our list, but certainly not least, we have Balustrada. This restaurant and bar is located along the main promenade in the center of Crikvenica. While once solely a bar and lounge, they successfully expanded their offerings into food as well. In my book, Balustrada remains the best place in town for cocktails, and they accomplish this with homemade and unique ingredients. It's also the only bar in town where you can get tapas and munchies to enjoy along with your drinks. As far as their dinner menu, everything is a fresh representation of delicious Croatian cuisine. Balustrada is family-owned, offers a changing menu throughout the season, and has a great relaxed outdoor lounge feel with a view of the beach and the sea. Balustrada is not open year-round. I really hope that you have found this list to be helpful in choosing a place to dine in Crikvenica, Croatia. Again, you guys, I really hope that you will like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much and have a great day.